Scott of the Modern Day Salvage YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. According to Scott, for entertainment in the Gaslands, the circus finds freaks and puts them on display. These vehicles were made to find two freaks from a group that led to the downfall of society known as the Fandom Menace. Michael and Tony sit beside the opposite ends of the table, not at the end of it, beside it, and complain about everything anyone likes, causing issues in the world, causing manufacturing to stop, and killing the economy and eventually society itself. Finding and catching these two and putting them on display would be the ultimate freak show display. Two of the vehicles are heavily armored on opposite sides to account for them sitting beside the table. The third was built simply for speed and destruction. A giant lizard and C-3PO with a red arm holding a turret were added to persuade them out to tell the hunters how they did things wrong. This is a great build, Scott, and crazy imaginative. Anyhow, I hope you like this build as much as I do. Be sure and check out the links to Scott's YouTube channel. He has a lot of other builds there. You really need to go check them out. Thanks everyone for watching these videos. Stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.